So I'm finally trying to cross the river. Look at the water level here. It's very high. Okay, I'm just trying to figure out. It's extremely risky, but equally adventurous. Okay, so yes, I have done. Now that I have to find a way, I have to go that side. Probably I should remember that I should go back in the same way, else. Okay. So let me just figure out. See, only thing is I forgot I left my slippers there. Yes. It's very difficult, guys. Extremely difficult, extremely difficult. See, we are not very used to walk on a barefoot. Yeah, there is a place which I am seeing it. I'm just doing my best to cross the river. See, this flow is more or less fine, but the difficulty is slightly higher here. I have to figure out. In some places it's slightly deeper, so in those are the places I should not take a chance. That's what I think. See, I'm not prepared. That's another problem, which is another problem, which I'm not prepared to cross. Yeah, I am actually keeping my foot on the rock. It is slippery, no doubt about it. See, the problem is for me to go that side in a barefoot. The pressure is extremely high, guys. Trust me. I'm scared. Extremely higher. Okay, so I should not lift my leg here, basically. The concern is I left my footwear there. That's my biggest problem. Now, yeah. Just hold on. So now I come to a place where I'm just entering to the paddy field. Oh my God, I think the smaller fish are trying to bait. Okay, yes, I'm finally here. Okay, so this is a paddy field, you can see here. Yeah, so there is some way in which you can cross and go, right? So this is what you can see here, what exactly this gentleman does here, right? So this is the engine of the tractor. Okay, so just the engine, and which will have iron tires, which will only move, it will never get skid. And there is a bull. So there is a bull which is basically doing the same work. Okay, and so this is what I said. This is a bunch of paddy. They have to split. They have to split and just start putting into the soil. Okay. These ladies are doing the same thing. Okay, so this is what it is, guys. I wanted to go a little closer I'm just seeing an option. You can see it's a very wet soil. I am barefoot, and you never know, something can poke into my foot, right, my palms. So this is what it is, guys, and it started raining again. It continuously rains, yeah, so you have full 4 months rainy season. So that's the beauty of this place, and you enjoy, so there are a lot of preparation goes into getting prepared for a rainy season. They have to keep a lot of commodities reserved for 4 months, right? So you take salt, or you take rice, which goes to mill, and they chip off the tip, and they polish the rice and bring it and keep the enough stock. Similarly, like everything, every spices, the spices are also kept for almost 3 to 4 months, because transportation is a big concern, and they will not be able to travel frequently, and these are remote villages. And the gentleman here, I think, is trying to come towards me and just check out. Okay, so this is the attire basically for the doing the paddy work. Amazing, superb. Okay, thanks for watching. And so there is a beautiful mountain behind it, and it's basically it's designed such a way that when you have a wind, it's more than 100 km speed, 100 kilometers per hour. So basically these lands and these houses here are protected. So that's how it's basically every village in this district, it's probably surrounded by mountains, and you hardly see there is any landsliding happening, because people are very much aware that where to go and construct their house, and where the road has to be made. The public work department in this district, like these kind of Western Ghats or districts where like the Malnad districts, so they're very much aware. So like in which way the roads has to be made, and even the roads are made, and how those roads to be made. Okay, so there is no landscaping, or you can say there is no probably the blockage of roads like what it happens in Jammu and Kashmir or Himachal Pradesh. Okay, but yes, there are some parts there will be slightly sliding happening, and that has been taken care, and it's started raining very heavily, and I don't know how to cross the river now. I am finding it very difficult. I'm not able to see there. Oh, not this way, very sure. From where I crossed, same place I have to go. And guys, this is about it, and so I just wanted to show you all this. And look at the pressure of the water. That tree is completely, it's been shaking like anything. It might fall down in next 2 days. Yeah, thank you all for watching, and please like my video if you like. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.